Alright, here's a vacuum fluorescent display on my panel I made. There's the panel. There's the LCD that used to be set up on it. I mean, it's still in position. Let's see if I can get a little bit more light. Not really. But that is a vacuum fluorescent display. And let me grab the connector and I will plug it in to show you. This is not going to stay. I'm going to set up my 2x40 character LCD instead. So that usually wouldn't be visible. And now, initializing. The cool thing about a vacuum fluorescent display is it lights up, so you don't have to have a backlight. And I will put it into alarm. There's the module clicking. Now silence. So there's the display I'm going to set up. And I will try to reset with the thing still in action. So if I deactivate it and try to reset again. Perfect. Look at that. Yep, vacuum fluorescent display. That'll go on an annunciator though, and the primary annunciator will have a regular LCD. But yeah, just thought I'd show that.